What? They finally did it. Yes, Huawei finally did it. 3 weeks ago, I was blown away by Phantom Ultimate, a tri-folding phone by Techno, and I shared it here with you. But that was a concept phone. Right now, Huawei has put out in the market for public consumption their Huawei Mate XT. It's a tri-folding phone. It's a tri-folding phone that you can purchase in the market right now. Let's not talk about the price, which is about $2,800 if you're going to use conversion from Chinese, because it's not global thanks to US ban. But take a look at this device. Wow. But come on, imagine if Huawei have not been banned on the global smartphone market for Android, the level of innovation they would have pushed, the way they would have pushed Samsung and Google and Sony and everybody. Come on. I am excited about this. Of course, it is China only. I can't tell if I will get it or not, but wow, this is mind-blowing. And it is selling like hotcake in China right now. So let me hear from you in the comment section. What do you have to say about this tri-folding phone or triple folding phone, whichever way you want to call it? Do you miss Huawei innovation if you have used Huawei devices before? So let me hear from you in the comment section. Make sure you like, subscribe to get latest or up-to-date tech tips like this. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace.